Imagine standing at the threshold of unimaginable wealth, a realm where billionaires reign not merely by chance but by strategy. Understanding this means embracing the notion that becoming a billionaire requires a different mindset. It commences with the billionaire attitude, men and women who think expansively yet start their journeys from modest beginnings. Visualize a garage that becomes the cradle of innovation. Envision late nights in an office serving as a breeding ground for groundbreaking ideas. These individuals embody a desire to learn voraciously, diving into countless books that expand their horizons. Whereas the ordinary chase quick riches, billionaires meticulously craft their futures through calculated risks, seeking high-reward strategies that will pay dividends in the long run. As we delve further, a significant secret unveils itself: the creation of a money machine. The wealthy do not toil for money. Instead, they position money to work tirelessly on their behalf. They cultivate high-income skills that empower them, like coding or digital marketing, that enable their finances to multiply. Picture Elon Musk juggling multiple high-stakes businesses simultaneously. He embodies this principle. Consider your own circumstances. How many sources of income flow into your life? Recognizing the importance of diversification becomes crucial, as billionaires understand they must not rely solely on a singular income stream. Investment choices stand at the core of wealth creation. Saving dollars hardly propels anyone into billionaire status. Instead, investing becomes the lifeblood of financial ascendance. Visualize your money actively compounding in various avenues: stocks, bustling real estate markets, or innovative startups. Each dollar essentially breeds more dollars, perpetuating a cycle of growth. The savviest billionaires constantly make discerning investment decisions that ensure their assets are always in play. Reflect upon your investment philosophies as you ponder. Which avenue speaks to your financial aspirations? Lastly, billionaire success hinges on staying ahead of the curve. In a world morphing at an exhilarating pace, they do not merely follow trends, they engender them. Picture them immersing themselves in the realms of artificial intelligence and automation, always hunting for the next monumental shift. Their networks are powerful assets, as they foster connections that propel them forward. While the average thinker focuses on immediate gains, billionaires strategize for the coming decade. Imagine yourself stepping into this future. What legacy do you wish to leave? With these principles woven into your approach, the road to billionaire status could be just a vision away.